What is going on, everybody? Today we got a new knife in the house from Cold Steel. It is the AD10. Super cool. Let's get to opening this thing up. This is the first production of the AD10 that I've seen of any of Andrew Demko's knives, so I'm pretty excited about this. So, oh yeah, very nice. Nice smooth G10. New logo, of course, S35VN. Typical clip that the AD10s come with. So, oh yeah. That's a hefty blade there. Yeah, looks like a hollow grind. Let's see. Get a straight edge here. Yeah, it's a ever so slight hollow grind. And then of course, flat grind on the Tanto tip. So very, very nice. Let's see here. See how this back lock works. Got to be careful. It's unlike the Recon. There's not much there to catch your finger. You're right there on the edge. So, very, very nice. Very nice. Takes a little bit to get flipping there. But very nice. Feels good in the hand. Some nice contour to the handle. Nice backspacer. Got the hole for the pin, but they don't give you the pin. Yeah, that's a nice full-size knife right there. Very nice. Yeah, I wish Demko would actually do more Tantos, even on his custom line. He doesn't do a lot. The few batches of the AD10 that he's done in the Tanto, but not too many. So this is, I don't know, he's not sure if Andrew's against the Tanto, but he hasn't done too many in his custom line. And like I said, this is, I do believe, the first time and first production of the AD10 with the Tanto. So there you guys go. That's the first look of the AD10 in Tanto. We will do a full review after we carry it and get it broken in and see how we like it overall. So there you guys go. That is the new AD10 by Cold Steel. Have a great day, guys. Catch you next time. Bye.